I'm gonna make an incredibly delicious guacamole with a super scrumptious topping. And this guacamole is very different from any other guacamoles that you've made because I have a great hack to make it super smooth and cold and puffy. But I'm gonna begin by making this guacamole topping. I'm gonna chop 8 ounces of bacon. The amazing thing about this guacamole is not only the guacamole base, which is cold and smooth and super puffy and creamy, but also it has an amazing topping that has bacon and chickpeas and almonds and guajillo, and all of these flavors come together so beautifully. While I'm frying my bacon, we're gonna make that guacamole base. You wanna make sure that your Mexican avocados are pitch black and soft when you hold them a little, so you know they're ripe and ready for you to use for your guacamole. Perfect, and I love it when this happens. Oh, another one! I'm using 2 large ripe avocados from Mexico. Because the bacon is starting to brown and I see the rendered bacon fat, I'm gonna add a cup of the chickpeas. This is gonna be a hearty, filling, and really delicious topping for that guacamole base. And I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of slivered almonds, 2 guajillo chiles that are gonna give this topping a really nice color, but they're also gonna give it a really nice flavor. So I'm gonna chop my guajillos, which I already stemmed and seeded. So we're gonna have 2 different kinds of nuttiness. We're gonna have that of the chickpeas. We're also gonna have the nuttiness from the almonds, and we're gonna have the taste of the guajillo chiles. So this topping is ready. So here we have 2 ripe avocados, and I'm gonna add 3 tablespoons of white chopped onion, 1 tomatillo, a teaspoon of salt, 1 jalapeno, the juice of 1 lime. So I'm gonna pulse the blender a couple of times just until this starts mixing. Once it starts mixing, here's the amazing trick. I'm going to add 2 to 3 ice cubes. It's going to make the guacamole base be cold. It's going to emulsify it. It's going to make it smooth, creamy, and deliciously puffy to dip chips into. So here we go. We have a super delicious creamy guacamole base, and now I'm gonna scrape this topping right on top. Oh, I didn't know you were there. You know, with so many guacamole recipes out there, this is really a standout. I'm giving you an amazing hack to make your guacamole base be the smoothest, coolest, and creamiest, and with the tomatillo and jalapeno and citrus taste. And then you have that meaty topping that has the bacon bites, the crisp chickpeas, the super nutty almonds, and the guajillo bites. It's truly a winner.